Well, good evening to you there, drummer boy. Good evening to you, drummer boy. You're doing your thing over here. I've heard you come in there real good a few times now. Heard you come in there a few times real good. 913 South Central Florida. Hope you're having a good Saturday, and I'm back out.
Okay, 913, I appreciate it. We're having a good Saturday on this end. It's raining such and lows in Beaumont right about now. Raining real hard. Hey, 913 in Florida. Appreciate the keystone. Old drummer boy, catch you later now. Bye-bye.
All right, drummer boy, you have a fine evening now. You keep Beaumont, Texas under wraps there. Keep them under wraps. 913 South Central Florida. Hope we do it again real soon, and I'm back out. Alright, drummer boy, you take it easy now. You take it easy. 913 South Central Florida. I'm back on the side. And for the Crazy D, you're still sounding real good around the sand pile. 913 with that wave.